We're going to take a quick refresher of the FRAME routine. This content enhancement routine helps students organize their thinking and talk about the key topic and information related to the key topic. It can be used when a topic has several main ideas and multiple supporting details. It can be used at any point during instruction and in any content area. In this example from 6th grade science, there are 3 main ideas, but you can use it with the topics that have as few as 2 main ideas or as many as 4 or 5 main ideas. The linking word for frame is actually frame. The first linking step is to focus on the topic, in this example, heat transfer. And then is about is revealing our main ideas, convection, conduction, and radiation. One of the things to be aware of when using the frame is it's really tempting to use this as a note-taking worksheet, where you simply write down the essential details and students copy them. If you do this, it's organized, but you're missing the real power of the frame content enhancement routine. So often building activities where students can then fill in the essential details, fill in the examples, and fill in the diagrams or whatever the essential details are that you have picked is a much more powerful tool so that they are doing the learning and they are doing the thinking, so that they're learning about the topic instead of simply practicing their copying skills. So step 3 of our linking steps is in fact analyze the details. You notice in this one, they could have a definition, they could have an example, they could have a diagram. In this particular usage, students were getting this information from lab stations that they were doing. And as they went to each station, they wrote down some of the examples, they wrote down the diagram, they wrote down the definitions for that. The next linking step is to make a so what statement. This is really important because in the so what statement, I'm going to fill this in here. In the so what statement, they have why is this important? How does this affect them in their everyday life? Where are they going to see this example? And then in step 5, the extend the understanding. This is where they're going to use this information and gives kind of the next steps for this information in class. It is easy to skip that make the so what statement and the extend the understanding, but again, skipping those steps means you're losing a lot of that power in this particular content enhancement routine. So make sure you always come back to making that so what statement and extending your understanding. If you're not familiar with the frame routine, find somebody on campus who you feel like is a good example and can share theirs with yours, or reach out to one of your department chairs or instructional coaches.